Yeah, folks, I've had a few people that have asked a few questions about other vans that we've done. They've seen some pictures on our Instagram page. If you want to go have a look at the Instagram page, I'm Builder on a Bike, go check it out. But I've strung these pictures along that we've got of a previous van. I'll talk you through basically what we did and how we did it and why we did it, and how we learnt from that one to the van that we did last. See what you think. If you can give us any feedback, by all means do. Cheers. So we looked around on eBay and we found this minibus. Got it home, put it on the drive, had a quick look at it. It was really good and good nick. First thing we did, we got some all-terrain tyres, we got those fitted, got the wheels painted up, and it was already starting to look like an adventure van. The seats were in pretty good nick in the front, so we left those in. Obviously we removed all the seats from the back. We'll see a picture there. Completely cleared the back out. Quite a sizable van. We'd ordered a big light, we got that fitted from eBay, and got the bull bars and the little spotlights fitted, ready to go into the shop and be painted. We also found this roof rack on eBay. It didn't fit, so a bit of welding was needed to get it to fit. Got it sprayed up in the black so it would match the rest of the van while sprayed. We got the solar panel off eBay with the charge controller, and that needed to be fitted to the roof rack, which we did before the roof rack was fitted. On to masking the van up. We needed to mask the pillars out in black so we could spray them so it looked like one giant window down the side. Bumpers again were sprayed just to give them another coat. Then we got to mask up all the black in order so we could paint the top coat, which we started painting roof down obviously, so we've done the roof first. Working away along the van. Paint came off eBay. It was an army military paint. It was pretty good, it was easy to use. Give the van quite a good finish. Here you can see, got it out in the light, all finished, all bolted back together. We acquired some stickers, again off eBay, made the van look a bit more adventurous. Now I appreciate that not everyone can do painting. It's a bit of a speciality. There's a lot of work involved, masking, stripping the van, getting the van back built up, and to be honest, it's not necessary. You can do one of these vans without actually having to paint it. You can leave it in the stock colour that it's in. It doesn't really affect the van, it just affects the aesthetics and how it looks. Then it was on to wiring. Here's a diagram of where we were going to lay it out. Fuse boards, charge controllers, batteries, split charge relays, and a 240. All switches, obviously near the bed so we could switch them off while we were asleep. Then it was on to insulating the ceiling. Very important in a camper van to make sure you've got a completely sealed and insulated layer. Got the headlining back up, there's Ben, happy with himself. And then it was down to insulating the floor, getting some boards back down, and we could start laying the flooring. We used a self-adhesive vinyl plank, which didn't prove to be very good because when it got hot, the adhesive actually got warm and started to peel away. So we did make it work eventually, but it wasn't the best thing in the world, and we learnt by this. We got steps fitted back in and trims, and then we fitted an underslung water tank, 70 litres in total. Now it was time to make the bed. It was made out of 4x2 plywood. We put nutserts in the pillars, which would then bolt directly into the van. It was very sturdy, very strong, and created a massive bed. Next we started framing cabinets, framing underneath the seats. We built our fold down seat that folded into a bed, fridge underneath, toilet next to it, carpeted it all up. It worked out really well. Here you can see it folded out onto the seats to make a single bed. Now we got all the cabinetry finished, cut the sink out, put the worktop on, got the doors hinged, and we made some lockers up above. Got hinges on the doors on those. Then we moved into the back of the van, made some shelving units where we were going to put all our gear for bike riding, camping, whatever we're going to do in this adventure vehicle. There you can see boxes for storing kit. All the electrics were boxed in, still accessible though, so we needed to get at anything. A locker shelf was built for a toolbox for any tools we needed to take with us, and as you can see, the shower was fitted to that when the door was open. This little combi shower is an amazing piece of kit, off eBay again for about £70, piped up to the Calagas, took water from the underslung tank, give you a really hot, nice shower. Next, we fitted a bike work stand, because obviously we're into mountain biking, we need to repair the bikes now and again. As you can see, there's the back, pretty much finished, storage under the seats, loads of nets, bike pump. Then we get a table, get the television fitted for the kids. Table just stands on a removable leg so we could have plenty of space. And then we started painting, went with a grey. Got some decals, got those fitted. Just finished the van off, carpeting, all done. There you can see the fold down bed. We got a load of stickers and went a bit nuts on the table. Easily replaceable. We fitted a stereo that was wired through to the TV. We got all the switching systems fitted, tank indicator, speakers. We fitted nets to the backs as we could store shoes and clothes. Flammable container for the gas, which was lockable. Shelving underneath the sink to put all our bits and bobs. There you can see the kids testing the TV out. And there's my mate Damien when we went away riding. You can see the van. This picture was sent by the customer who bought the van from us. Right folks, cheers for watching the video. If you've got any questions regarding, any parts of the van, wiring, piping, whatever, slinging the tank underneath, piping up, getting the water into the tank, whatever, anything that you need to know, just send us a message. You can either get us on the comments below, or you can catch us on Instagram. Again, Builder on a Bike. See if you can find us, send us a message. If you're into riding mountain bikes, tell us where you've been riding, give us some feedback on that, anything. Cheers for watching the video, hope to see you again soon. Cheers, bye.